By 1860, he rebuilt the sawmill into the so-called yellow mill that's there now. The starting point was the sawmill, which had to be the first in any new community in the wilderness, because you had to have lumber to build something. Then a grist mill was built next door to it. And that was a frame building on a stone foundation right next to the sawmill. And it's illustrated in the 1878 atlas. It burned in about 1880, the grist mill did. And in the 1890s, nobody really knows exactly what date, on the foundation of the grist mill, they built the stone electric power plant. The third building on the Williams Mill site is the Glen Williams glass blowing